Hi gentlemen, I will explain in this video a new software inkflow. First service UGC. I discovered inkflow last month and it completely changed my content creation process. Before finding this tool, I struggled with making enough UGC style content for all my clients. The way inkflow transforms regular content into authentic looking user-generated posts is mind-blowing. You can take any boring text and turn it into something that feels genuine and engaging. Creating UGC used to take me hours, but now I can make dozens of posts in the same time. Some days I wonder how I ever managed without this amazing tool in my workflow. The UGC templates in inkflow are what really sold me on it. They've got formats for every platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. These templates save so much time when you're trying to maintain a consistent posting schedule. I've connected inkflow with all my social accounts. The direct publishing feature means I don't have to switch between different apps anymore, which is such a relief. The AI in this thing is pretty impressive too. It knows exactly how to make content sound like it came from a real person instead of a brand. My engagement rates have gone up since switching to inkflow for my UGC needs. What do I like most about inkflow? Definitely how fast it works. Plus it's super affordable compared to hiring actual content creators. And they are always adding new features every month. Not everything is perfect though, sometimes the platform gets a bit slow when processing videos. And if you're in a very technical industry, you might need to edit some outputs. inkflow is perfect for social media managers, brands, and marketers who need authentic-looking UGC without the hassle of coordinating with dozens of creators. To get yours, click in link in first comment.